Tremco 45 SSL patching for asphalt roof flashings can last multiple years when applied with correct surface prep and movement accommodation. Start by removing all loose material and cleaning the substrate with a stiff brush and solvent compatible with the roofing material, then let the area fully dry before proceeding. Cut back adjacent sealant and trim edges of damaged flashing to a firm surface so the Tremco 45 SSL can bond to sound material and not just feathered edges. Apply a primer if manufacturer guidance calls for one on your substrate and allow it to tack off. This improves adhesion on aged asphalt and metal. Tool the material to a continuous bead and press it into any joints while maintaining a slight concave seal profile to shed water and minimize trapping debris. For larger movement joints, build a two-part repair with a flexible backing rod, then cover with Tremco 45S SL so the sealant can stretch rather than transfer stress to the flashing. Cure at ambient temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid traffic on the repair for the period specified on the technical data sheet so the sealant develops full elastomeric properties. Common issues are insufficient surface prep causing early adhesion loss, and the fix is to clean to a sound surface and use an appropriate primer when recommended. Another frequent problem is using too thin a bead, which will tear or pull away under movement. The remedy is to apply enough material to form a durable, flexible lap that fully covers the joint and includes a backing rod where needed. Third, repairs can fail when cold weather prevents proper tooling and bonding, so schedule work when temperatures meet the product minimums or warm the substrate safely to achieve adequate adhesion and cure. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find jobs that match their skills. We also host a discussion community on the site where we share long-term repair experiences, tips, and real-world durability reports like Scott reporting 2-year-old Tremco 45S SL repairs holding up excellently against shifting, cracking, and water infiltration.